Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix Lenovo laptop not turning on and the only solution you will ever need. Number 1. Perform a hard reset. Unplug the AC adapter, remove the battery if removable, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain residual power, reinsert the battery, plug in the AC adapter and attempt to power on. Number 2. Check power sources. Ensure the power outlet is functional. Inspect the AC adapter and power cord for damage. Number 3. Disconnect external devices. Unplug all peripherals, USB devices, external monitors, etc. and try powering on. Number 4. Verify battery status. If the battery is removable, test the laptop with and without it installed. Number 5. Listen for beep codes. Beep patterns can include specific hardware issues. Number 6. Access BIOS or UEFI. Press F2 during startup to enter BIOS or UEFI settings. Check for hardware recognition and reset to default settings if necessary. Number 7. Run diagnostics. Use Lenovo built-in diagnostics by pressing F10 during startup. Thanks for watching.